how to log in to Commonwealth Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Commonwealth Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for Commonwealth Bank and go to login, and after searching, here on the first search you will have www.commonbank.com. You can simply click on that. And now after clicking on that, here it will take you to the web page or the website. So if you want to log into your account, then you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner. Now you can choose your net banking, which is on the first option, or you can also choose these two options, whichever option you would like. And now if you want to log in, then first you have to enter your client number and then you have to enter your password. But if you've forgotten your login credentials, then you can go to I have forgotten and then you can recover or reset it. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to register for NetBank now and then you can register your account. But if you remember your credentials, then simply enter it and then you have to click here if you want to save your credentials on your laptop. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it, and then after entering your information, click on log on, and that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Commonwealth Bank online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.